Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Cancer, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, Cancer. We are picking few cards and I have a fairy tale pick a card love reading coming right after this general reading. So if you are interested to watch that, you can watch that after this general energy, guys. Cancers. So we have Page of Cups in reverse, Eight of Cups in reverse, and Nine of Pentacles. So, in your situation today, guys, Cancers, you are maybe going out, maybe meeting some people, maybe friends or family, and or maybe the people who are really concerned about you. Maybe it may be your person, you are going to a party having a good time, maybe. So happiness, emotional satisfaction, that is what I see. And maybe in your career situation or in your relationship, guys, you have this huge attraction to them or they have this huge attraction towards you, or in your personal life, guys, this may be in your personal life. So they have this huge attraction towards you, but they may not share that deep bond with you. So for some of you, this may be a totally physical kind of a relationship that you have with this person or they have with you. It may be your energy or their energy, guys. So you do not want to share that deep meaningful bond with this person, or they do not want to share that deep meaningful bond, so they consider you or this love as a casual fling, maybe for some of you. But for some of you, I see that they have that true love towards you, but they are not ready to show it out yet. So they have some kind of inhibitions to come out with the truth. Something is bothering them. Maybe the way you behave, or it may be a new relationship. So they need some more time to wait and see where this leads. So they are waiting for the time, maybe, guys, to become serious about this connection. So they want that understanding. That may be the reason they are planning to go out with you, spend some time with you, to know more about you, Cancers. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Six of Pentacles in reverse, guys. So with this card in your situation, guys, maybe they are this person. It may be this person or your energy. So they are weighing the options. Maybe they have other people interesting them, or they have uh, someone else in their mind. So they are thinking whether to be with you or with that person. So some kind of an important decision is going on in their mind, or they are not clear about this connection yet. So they are waiting, guys, to make that important decision, or you are waiting. You like this person, you have this attraction, you share a great intimacy with them, but you are still waiting to take that positive step, that deep step in this connection, guys. Cancers. So that is what I see with this card, guys, for your relationship. Let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have the Magician. So in your career, you just know what you need to do in your heart of cards, guys. Maybe in your career there are some circumstances where you need to make some important choices, or important decisions today, and you will know in your heart what you need to do, what is the right choice, and which way to go uh, in your situation, in your career. So that is the reading with these cards cancers. If you want to watch the pick a card fairy tale love reading, stay tuned, that is coming up right now. For your love reading, guys, today's reading is going to be different. So we have two cards from the fairy tale oracle. So it is going to be your fairy tale. So you can think about your situation for a few seconds in silence, then choose the card. So this is your first card and this is your second card, guys. Choose whichever card comes first, and I will start with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, now let's start with the first card. Let's see what it is for those who have chosen this card. It is the Light Princess and Grounded. So, with this card, guys, the energy, this card just means you need to be grounded and you must take steps to reconnect. Maybe in your situation today, maybe you are escaping maybe from something, facing some people, or trying to escape from your responsibilities, or trying to escape from certain situations, circumstances. And this card stands for that emotional experience that we face, that we have, and that memory and intelligence and that honest examination of the past, which will give rise to that awakening in ourselves and empathy and true intelligence and learning what we get through our experiences. So we need to be really grounded, ready to face any circumstance, any situation, rather than escaping from it or trying to escape from that situation. Maybe because we feel that it is really painful. So, today, maybe for some of you, you are in a particular circumstance, you are not willing to face the reality today, guys. Maybe it is time you have to take a serious outlook on life. So, you want yourself to be immune to that pain or sadness or stress, but only when you experience that pain, sadness, you will grow emotionally and spiritually, and you will be moving towards reality, and you will be moving towards a true meaningful connection in your life. So you need to be really grounded. So that is the energy with this card, guys. That is the story for you all with this first card for those who have chosen this card. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who have chosen this card, Gretel. So this is the card for you all, guys. So this card means you have that courage to face any difficult situation in your life. So when you are up against a difficult circumstance, you have that courage and you do not want to you show your best when you are under pressure, great pressure, and you have proved again and again in your life that you are reliable for friends and family. So you work well as a team, guys. You work well with people, and you unite with people to work against maybe some common enemy or some common problem that you have, and you are very quick thinking, resourceful, and protective. So this may be your story, guys. So You help people, you influence them with your courage and confidence, your willpower, determination. And maybe people around you, it may be the younger generation, or it may be your siblings or children, or people younger to you, it may be your friends or people, colleagues in your career. You simply influence them with your courage and confidence, guys, to do well in life, be steadfast, be responsible to their duties or whatever responsibilities they and have that, what to say, determination in your heart to endure anything that comes in your life and face any drastic situation. So, maybe for some of you, you are under great pressure today, some kind of a difficult circumstance has come up, and you are bracing yourself to face that impact, guys, in your life. So, you are courageous, you have that willpower strength, and you do not have fear no matter what your situation is. And maybe sometimes we must let ourselves to experience that fear in its raw and in the most real way, to get that valor and ideas we need to implement to overcome that situation. So, whatever dangers or whatever circumstances that you are afraid of, you need to face it with courage, guys. So, that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card, the second fairy tale. So that is the reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.